Hello to the team at Vox Extra. My name is Dhruv Sompura and I have built this project for this hackathon. It's called Secure and Safe Haven. So before we start, let's try signing up. So there's two types of signups. One is a user sign up, another is an NGO sign up. So I will explain what the website does as we go on. Let's start with the user sign up. So I'll create my own account. I'll type the password. This will create an account for me. The thing about the sign up is that it is OAuth and JWT verified, so and it's end-to-end encrypted, so your identity will not be exposed when you create an account on this website, and it will be protected using very secure authentication methods. So as we have already signed up, let's try logging in. This is my credentials. I will try logging in. So this is the main website, Secure and Safe Haven. Over here it says welcome through. There's a logout feature, Secure and Safe Haven website name. So there are three options that you can go over: reports, posts, and guidance. Let's go over guidance first. So for all the victims of domestic abuse or other crimes, there are different features that they can access. There's a guidance section over here which mentions the legal rights that you have: right to legal aid and fair trial, and some other one which shows these other things. And then there's a report cybercrime option where you can go to India cybercrime website where you can report your crimes officially. And then there's cyber safety tips website over here, the National Cyber Safety Alliance, which mentions all these cyber safety tips and how to stay secure. Now let's come to the reports section. So what the website does is that for the victims of different kinds of abuse can put anonymous reports over here, so that different NGOs can look into this and manage these cases. So let's try to describe an incident. There are various things that I can describe about. There's child abuse, there's domestic violence, cyberbullying, hate speech, and things like that. So let's talk about domestic violence. Okay, so let's say I was abused by my partner. So this will be anonymous and no one can see what your name is unless you want to reveal it. Then you can click on the location. Let's say it happened in Mumbai, and let's tell us about the abuser. My abuser was my husband, and if there's any evidence you can provide it, else you can just type no evidence and then you can post it. So it says report submitted successfully, and then you can look at your reports. Anonymous was abused by my partner, Mumbai domestic violence, and things like that. And there are all reports that you can look at, other reports as well that are posted by other users. So you can see one of these guys faced some sexual harassment, one of this faced a crime or illegal activity. You can also filter it and search it. Let's say if you want to look at all kinds of domestic violence, so I can just type domestic, and over here this things about the filter. You can look at it location wise as well. If I type Mumbai, I get to Mumbai related queries, and you can search using your text, abuse type, who was abused, and evidence. So this can help you filter out those reports and try to find the abuser and manage these cases. The second option is the post option. Over here you can share your own thoughts, what you think, whatever you're thinking. Let's say something like, I think all abusers should get lifetime jail. Let's say something like that. You will see if there's someone who agrees with you. This is legal and safety advice. So I'll just post this and it will show my post over here. You can look at other posts as well. These are posted anonymously, like call 1014 ambulance, everyone got stuff like that. So yeah, now let's log out over here. This is a secure logout. You have successfully logged out. So others cannot view what you have done on your website. This is a safety secure emergency feature that I have created. Now let's try signing up using NGO. I've already signed up using an account. So there's something called UX Foundation. one of the NGOs, so I'm using that. These NGOs can here look at different reports that were there. So one of these reports was this one. This happened in Noida. So you get a graph based on various statistics that I've fetched using various APIs, and you get this graphs: domestic violence cases by cities and incident by city and abuse type. So this abuse was is showing this abuse based on different cities and by city and abuse type. So you can over here look at over here, there are comments that has been written over here. Hi, I know it's difficult to deal with situations like this, and thanks for reaching out. Can you tell me what to do? So I'll just tell him what to do. You can report it to the police, and I can click on post comment, and over here it got added. You can report it to the police, and the person can then view this and then have a conversation with these NGOs. In the post section you can also type something like, hello, hi there, I am from NGO, reach out if you need help. And it's just healing and recovery. So I can also talk to different people over here who have some issues. So let's say if I search for something like depression, so this person thinks I don't think depression is real, so I can explain it to you. So I think it is true, it's quite real for a lot of people. So I'm open to having a discussion about, let's agree to disagree. Why do you think it is not real? So this way you can have healthy conversations related to different thing. Over here this is a mental health post and I'm talking about it. You can have different conversations related to it. So yeah, this is my website. It's for lots of abuse survivors, abuse victims. They can anonymously talk about their problems, what happened to them, and get the cases solved by these various NGOs. So thank you if you like my project. Was built using Spring Boot. Spring Boot was used for the backend of the website. Over here you can see the different models and the classes that I created over here, different controllers for defining the various APIs that I have written over here, and there are various other things like DTOs, enums, exceptions, models, repositories, and service classes, and various other code. Over here you can look at the front end, which was done using Angular. There are various components that I've created for Angular. Over here you can see there are various pages, various services, and there's lots of code for it. I've uploaded it on GitHub, and you can view it and let me know what you think.